Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You are about to stop an FFmpeg recording. Do this safely so the file is finalized. First, make sure FFmpeg is the foreground process in the terminal you launched it from. If it is backgrounded, find its PID with ps-aux-grep FFmpeg and bring it to foreground or prepare to send a signal. Once done, decide whether to use the built-in interactive stop or a system signal. The choice affects how cleanly FFmpeg writes the container and metadata. You stop FFmpeg by telling it to finish writing and close the output. The only guaranteed graceful method is typing Q into the terminal where FFmpeg runs. That instructs the process to finalize containers and exit. If you start it interactively, Ctrl+C, Sigint, has the same effect. For backgrounded jobs, run kill-2 PID to send Sigint from another shell. These methods let FFmpeg flush buffers and write indexing information, preventing truncated or corrupt output files. After stopping, confirm the file plays and has the expected duration. This verifies headers were written. If you see corruption or missing tail, do not delete the file. Remux it with FFmpeg input copy output to rebuild container metadata. If stopping failed because you lacked terminal access, next time run with report to capture logs or run inside a terminal multiplexer like tmux. Remember, typing Q or sending Sigint is the reliable way to let FFmpeg close files cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.